Real quick, this is the last thing I want to review. This is the Ubrands 14 by 11 dry erase board. The reason why I'm actually reviewing a dry erase board is because this thing's nice. I've had it for 2 years. It's very solid. It's like a metal board. It's not cardboard. And it's got this marble design with gold on the sides. I don't remember where I got it from, but I use this all the time as a to-do list. I'll literally just mark down to-do things on this. While I'm studying, I'll basically write all over it and erase it. I tend to use wet erase markers, so for that you have to use like Windex on it to clean it off because it dries, but it doesn't smudge at least. But if you use dry erase, it works really well. And this is after 2 years. The surface is virtually crystal clear. I put this on the side right here and I use it all the time, so I highly recommend this if you're in the market. It's a little bit more expensive probably than the cheaper stuff, but this thing's not going to break. I can see using it forever without any issues. I'll put a link below as far as kind of where you can get it.